Hello guys, Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have another unboxing, and it is the Apple 13 iPhone 13 Pro Max silicone case in Lemon Zest. Okay, so I don't know if you can see really well, but it's basically a yellow case, very light yellow, and I'm wearing orange, and it's way lighter than this, so you can compare how it is. But yeah, so currently I have the blue case and now for a yellow case, which goes in pretty well because my football team that I follow is yellow and blue. So of course I'm not gonna have them both together at the same time, but you get my point. So to do the unboxing, well, this retailed for, I'm pretty sure it's around $50. I think €50 and 45 pounds. I might be wrong though, but yeah, to unbox it, just peel off there and take it out here, and here it is, very light yellow, very nice. I love the feel of new cases, especially silicone ones. And we just take it out, and of course we will have the animation. So we'll just take this one off and get a little bit out here. And okay, so ready? Let's see. And it's all yellow. That's so cool. It's very nice, it feels so good. And we can also see how it is with the wallet, and it looks pretty good, I would say. Not too bad. I think it would look even better with the blue one. But of course, being leather for the wallet, just how it is, the blue one will get darker over time. So will the black one, but of course it's black, so you will notice. But I really like this one. It looks very nice. I really like how it matches the yellow, the black. I think it works very well together. And yeah, so I think this is gonna be pretty much it. Other than that, in the box we of course have some paperwork, documentation, medical device interference. iPhone in this case contain magnets that may interfere with medical devices. Okay, yeah, of course, it has MagSafe, so it has magnets. Fair enough. But yeah, I think this is it. And I really like this. That's where the case came, which is made here, and this is the instructions of how to put it in. And I would say get it out as well, so you can get it out on the side. But yeah, it looks quite nice. Very yellow, very cool. Nice, I like it. I really like it. But yeah, if you like this video, please thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions about this case, please leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. And if you like Apple and watch Apple videos on YouTube, you should consider subscribing, because that's exactly what I do. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.